Hi, here I want to show you a combination of the GrainSin Ugen and also some possibility of the additive synth. You may be wondered because I combine the grain synthesis and additive synthesis here. The first step, you should be familiar with the GrainSin Ugen. The GrainSin Ugen, as you see, GrainSin as a method. Here, the first element and the first parameter is the channel. I set one here, and the second one is the delta, is the time distance between each grain. For example, din, 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 din. Each of these sounds was a grain, suppose, and for example the distance between them is the second argument here. For example, if it's 1 second, dit, dit, and if it's, for example, 0.1, dit, 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 and for example is 2, dit, dit. In that way, you can shape your grain synth. And in the next steps, for example, here I wanna set a trigger impulse .kr. For example, every second with 10 grains, it creates the sound. For example, in the next argument, this is just the duration of each grain. For example, 0.1. And then right brace dot play, and then in the first left brace. Okay, the last argument, which it didn't set, was related to the frequency. For example, 200 or 900. Okay, and here we can change the trigger of the time distance between each grain. For example, impulse to the 1. Okay, and duration of each grain to the 0.01. Okay, here this is the GrainSin that SuperCreator or default offers you, and you can use in the different ways. I just wanna to show you some. I wanna show you some things which I did. For example, I created a synth, and as you see that I created an array and I use many GrainSin to each other with a ratio in the frequencies. As a result, the sound which I show you is that. I change it. For example, I change the parameter here. Example, impulse. As you see that I multiply the impulse trigger to the an array indexes. For example, 0.05 to the 0.01. And here you see some differences happened, but if you would like to explain the synth dev which you created in the SuperCollider, please comment on the post and say that okay, that was the very nice this sound which you created. Please explain more about the synth which you created and combined the granular theory with the additive theory. I hope you enjoyed this video.